here is a HP X3000 wireless mouse with a free battery. It comes with a Bluetooth adapter that plugs into your USB port on your laptop or your desktop computer. At first, I'm going to show you how to properly install the battery. Then I'm going to show you how to turn it on correctly. There's actually an on and off switch. And after that, I'm going to show you how to properly install the USB Bluetooth adapter, which installs in your USB port on your laptop or your desktop computer. It comes with easy to read instructions. Right now I'm unwrapping the mouse. It's pretty high gloss, really nice material. The plastic seems really durable, so if you drop it, it probably won't break. Now I'm going to show you how to open up the compartment with your fingernail. Just push it in and it pulls right out. So you see there's a spring at the top of the mouse, and if you look closely, the bottom part of the battery touches the spring and you snap it in. And that's how you properly install the battery. Here's a close-up view of the on and off switch, which is at the top of the mouse on the bottom. As you can see, I just turned it off, turned it on, and you can see the blue light. Next, I'm going to show you the actual USB Bluetooth adapter right here. Make sure it's in the upright position. You can see the two slots right there next to my thumb to show you the upright position. Using your trackpad, select the Bluetooth device in your lower menu. Show Bluetooth devices from your lower menu bar. And then a window will pop up called the Bluetooth and devices. It will actually show that your mouse is connected to your computer. If not, you can add to the device.
If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.